Welcome to Station 2. This is the General Literacy Strategy, abbreviated GLS. In this station, we will read a story problem. We will decipher what it means and what information we need from it, decipher what it is they want us to do, and then create an equation to solve. Let's begin. Joe's internet went out. He is crushed, as this means no Netflix, Hulu Plus, or television since everything ran through that modem. The cost for the repairman to make a house call is $25. He then charges an hourly wage of $15. His bill was $85. How long was the repairman at Joe's house? So I begin by reading it through the first time. I then take a second read through, pointing out information that could be valuable. So, Joe's internet went out. He is crushed, as this means no Netflix, Hulu Plus, or television since everything ran through that modem. The cost for the repairman to make a house call is $25. $25. Okay, so that has got to be important somewhere. He then charges an hourly wage of $15. Okay. His total bill was $85. Okay, so if his total is $85, I should probably write that down so I remember it. How long was the repairman at Joe's house? Okay, so let's see what we're talking about. What numbers are in this problem and what do they represent? Well, we have $25, and that's to make the service call. So in other words, for the repairman to step foot in his house, it will cost Joe $25. He then charges an hourly wage of $15. Okay, so that's going to be per hour that the repairman spends in there. And then $85 is our total bill. So we filled out the first thing of our chart. We've read our story twice. Let's look what else. What are you asked to do? What are they wanting? They want to know how long was the repairman at Joe's house. So I'm looking for time. I'm not looking for money. It's told me everything money. I'm not looking for meters or centimeters. I'm looking for time. So I'm looking for how long was the repairman at Joe's house. What should the solution look like? Well, I'm going to have a number, and it's going to be measured in terms of hours. I know it will be hours because it talks up here about the hourly wage of the repairman. Okay, let's look at step 2. It says metacognitive read. Oh, so it wants me to talk to the text. So we're going to read again. Joe's internet went out. That's a bummer. He is crushed, as this means no Netflix, Hulu Plus, or television since everything ran through that modem. Okay, so obviously it needs fixed. The cost for the repairman to make a house call is $25. He is an expensive repairman. He then charges an hourly wage of $15 an hour. If his bill was $85, how long was the repairman at Joe's house? Okay, so I need to create an equation. Well, I know if my total money being spent is $85, whatever it is going to equal $85. Then I have to look at my other two numbers. A service fee. Is a service fee something that's charged every hour? Or is a service fee something that is charged once? And it happens to be something that is charged once because my second thing says that he will make $15 an hour. So I know my service fee is a $25 plus whatever he's going to make per hour, which is $15. And I'm looking for how many hours, so remember we talked about our variable being our unknown? So it's 15x. Now I can solve. I can draw my line here. I can circle what I'm solving for, and I can get rid of the 25. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys solve. Hit pause. Reflective read. After sharing your thinking and analysis of the problem, complete a quick rate on the following interpretive question. Support your answer with evidence from the text. Does your answer make sense? How do you know? Well, is it likely that the repairman would be at the house for that many hours? Does it make sense? Does it have real life application? Did you do your math right? Explain to me how you got your answer in words. Thank you so much.